here. Thank you so much for coming back to my channel. If you guys are new here, welcome. Today's video, I'm just gonna do like a quick voiceover tutorial on a summer go-to look that I usually do because it is so effing hot where I live that I usually don't even go out the door with makeup. Just put some sunscreen on and just head on out. But there are those occasions where I do need to, you know, kind of look like I'm trying. I really like the warm summer glow, bronzy look where you're looking like a bronze caramel honey bun goddess. I like to incorporate a lot of like bronzed highlighters and warm tones, warm colors, and I'm infamously known for my winged liner. So I'm gonna give you guys a close-up look on how I do that. So let's get started. I'm gonna go ahead and moisturize my lips with the Milani Moisture Lock Oil. I really love this stuff. Then I'm gonna prime my face with the Benefit Stay Flawless 15-hour primer and the Dermalogica Hydra Blur because it's hot and I get sweaty and I need my makeup to stay because it ain't cute. Next, I am gonna go ahead and define my brows with the Milani Dark Brown Pot in 05. Gonna highlight with the LA Girl Brow Concealer, in Natural. Then I'm gonna go ahead and blend that in. Make it kind of look normal, you know, the makeup, non-makeup look. See? Yes, love it. Next, I'm gonna go ahead and set in that concealer with the Too Faced Beaches and Cream. Just gonna fluff that out and set it. Next, I'm gonna be adding some warmth and depth back into my eyelid area with this like light brown. I don't know where it's from or what the name is called, but you know, match it to your best, make it work for your tone. See? Next, I'm going in with one of my favorite highlighters made by Ofra. This is Rodeo Drive. I am gonna pat a little bit of shimmer on my eyelids. Then I'm gonna do my infamous wing eyeliner with my favorite matte liquid liner by NYX. And if you guys want me to do an in-depth video on how I do my liquid eyeliner, please let me know and I will happily walk you through it. I've been doing top eyeliner for years. And just for some fun and a pop of color, I'm going right under with the white liquid liner by NYX. Just a simple boop. Then to cover up those bags, I am going in with the orange corrector by LA Girl Pro Concealer, then blend that in. For foundation, I'm using the Double Wear Nude Water Fresh Makeup. I don't want to go too heavy on the foundation, just enough for some coverage because I do have some red spots. I get like heat bumps. It's not cute. Concealer, I am using the L'Oreal Infallible Pro Glow. I really love this concealer. It's very pocket friendly and it coverages really well. You can pack it on and it covers really well. I am setting the concealer with the Podre Fixacante Banana Powder. And of course, to warm my cheeks back up, using Benefit's Hoola in like one of the lighter browns. And after I put that in, I'm sweeping the powder away with the L'Oreal True Match in Caramel Beige. Yes, yes, you like it. Warming my cheeks back up with the Milani 05 Baked Bronzer in Soleil. Going back with that same Rodeo Drive highlighter by Ofra, and I'm just gonna add that glow. Look at that, yes, yes. I went ahead and put my eyelashes on. I don't know where these are from either, but they're a nice, really pretty, fluffy eyelash. Next, I am going in with my favorite brown lip pencil by Rimmel, and one of my favorite lipsticks by L'Oreal in the color Matitude, so pretty, and setting it, of course, with the matte primer, the matte Prep and Prime primer. And I'm fanning myself. Wait, gotta get the Beberhers. The Beberhers, you had to get that. Guys, thank you so much again for coming back here and joining me on my channel. If you like what you felt, heard, and saw, make sure that you hit that subscribe button and also make sure you hit that bell notification so you always know when I put up new content. Make sure you follow me on Instagram, Twitter, and visit me on my website at www.culturefuzz.com where you can find different videos, different articles, and blog posts that I'm posting up on a weekly basis. Really appreciate the support, guys. Culture Fuzz out.